Hello! Today we're going to unpack the Seinxon Item Finder card kit with passport holder. If you're familiar with Apple AirTag, then this works the same way and you can quickly find your missing items. The Seinxon Finder is even better. It has a rechargeable battery and can also be used with Android OS. How to set this up? Start using it and see a real test in my second video by clicking more from Techscrew. But for now, let's play some music and have a look at the full unboxing.